Hi, this is Ms. Loftus. I'm going to show you how to use Book Creator. When you get to this part of your choice board, you are going to click on the link under Book Creator, and it is going to take you to a book. Now, the first thing you can do is click on Read Now, but what you are going to need to do is scroll down to where it says Remix this book. Remix this book. It is in blue, okay? When you click on that, it is going to make a copy. You need to select My Books on Book Creator, and you're going to copy it to your library. When the book has been copied to your library, you're going to click on this button right here that says Go to Library. So remix this book, put it in your library, and go to your library. Now, I have this book in my library. I may edit this book and complete any activities that I want. So as you go through the book, you're going to find videos. You're going to find things for you to watch. You're going to find things for you to read. If you need help reading this, if you click this button up here, it will read the book to you. Okay. It is asking you a question. Like back here, it's going to say record your answer. If it asks you to do something within the text, you will play the video, think what it's mostly about, and it's saying record your answer. Now, Ms. Loftus, how do I do that? Well, when you click on this plus sign up here, you're going to go where it says media, MEDIA. Here, you're going to find several ways that you can respond within your book. When you click on the microphone, that allows you to record. When you click on this T button, that allows you to type your answer. If it asks you to circle something in the book or draw something in the book, you're going to take this pen button and it's going to allow you to write in your book. Okay. Anything that you add to your book will be able to stay. You can edit it. You can change it. This is your book. Okay. So you're going to go through all the activities within the book. You're going to watch the videos. You're going to do all the assignments. Like I said, if I can't read this and I don't know what it says, I'm going to hit this button up here, the sideways triangle, and it will read the book to me. Okay. So you're going to go through all 11 pages in this book. This one says listen to the first few pages. It tells you to pause on page 7, think what this book's mainly about, share the idea, record your answer. Once you have completed all the activities in this book and you are ready to share it with your teacher, you have finished this book. I am done with this book. I am excited about this book. You're going to go over here to My Books, and you're going to click on this sharing options. You see it's like 3 dots. See that? Okay. I want you to click on the world. Looks like a world. Okay. It tells you your name. It tells you what this is about. And you're going to hit this blue button. You're going to publish it. Okay. That allows you to publish your book. What this is going to do, it's going to give you a link for your book. It says copy link. When you click this book, you are going to come back to your playlist right here. I'm going to hit enter. And I'm going to paste, edit, paste. And that is your link your book. So when you go to meet with your teacher next, your book is going to be here and your teacher is going to be able to see all the work that you've been working on. If you want to go back in, say before you publish it, you need to do it before you publish it, okay? But if you want to go back in and you need to edit it or you need to change something, you can edit this book. Once you get out of it, you may edit it as much as you want. If I don't finish everything in one day and I need to come back in here tomorrow and work on it some more, do not publish that book until you finished it, okay? So you can come in here and finish it every day. And then when you have finished it is when you'll publish it and give it to your teacher. If you have any questions, find Miss Loftus and Miss Loftus will be able to help you with this. All right, my friends, thank you.